In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make organizational chart in Excel. If you've ever needed a clean, visual way to show who reports to whom, an organizational chart is the perfect tool. We'll build one directly in Excel using built-in features, so there's no need for add-ins or external templates. Have a workbook open and a worksheet ready, ideally with a little open space so the graphic has room to breathe. First, head to the Insert tab along the top of Excel. This is where Excel keeps all the visual elements you can add to a sheet, charts, shapes, and the feature we'll use today. Next, choose SmartArt. SmartArt is a gallery of professional pre-built graphics that help you turn plain text into structured visuals. It's great for processes, lists, cycles, and, most importantly for us, hierarchies. When the SmartArt window opens, look to the list of categories and select Hierarchy. The hierarchy category is designed for family trees, reporting lines, and anything that flows from a top roll down to supporting roles. This filters the gallery to layouts that naturally represent relationships. From the hierarchy options, pick the organizational chart layout. This layout is tailored specifically to show a leader at the top and direct reports below, with clear connectors that make the structure easy to read. It's more than just boxes and lines. The spacing and proportions are set up to keep your chart balanced as it grows. Click OK to insert it onto your worksheet. Excel will place a starter org chart for you, complete with placeholder text and a sensible arrangement. From here, you can replace the placeholder text with your own titles and names and shape the chart to match your real-world structure. Because it's SmartArt, the layout will maintain alignment and consistent spacing as you edit, so the result looks polished without manual fine-tuning. A few quick tips as you work. Plan the top-level roles before you start typing so the chart stays logical. Keep titles concise for readability, and use consistent capitalization so the visual style is cohesive. If you're sharing the file, consider using a clear, neutral color theme to keep the focus on the structure rather than decoration. Remember that this org chart is a live object within Excel, so it moves with your worksheet and scales as needed. When you're happy with the structure, a quick review for spelling and title consistency goes a long way. And that's it. The essential path is Insert, SmartArt, Hierarchy, Organizational Chart, and OK. You now have a professional framework in place, ready to represent your team clearly and confidently.